many strategies you can use to convince someone of something. One strategy might be more convincing than another way. It all depends on the person you are trying to convince. You might have to try different approaches to decide which way is best. This car salesperson knows several different ways to persuade people to buy cars. For example, her sales presentation shows that she is an expert on cars, so customers will trust her judgment. They might trust her as much as Honest Abe Lincoln.
I've been selling cars for 20 years. I've never come across a better-made car.
She can appeal to the buyer's emotions. Imagine the look on everyone's faces when they see you driving this beauty around. Or she can lay out evidence to prove her point.
This model has a 5-star safety rating from an independent testing agency.
There's more than one way to convince someone. What strategies would you use?